Linking your bank account to Everest Business Funding is an essential step to manage your finances effectively. Follow these steps to complete the process smoothly. Step 1. Create an account. Visit the Everest Business Funding website and sign up for an account. Fill in the required information, including your business details and contact information. Step 2. Navigate to bank account linking. Once logged in, go to the dashboard and look for the option labeled Link Bank Account or Bank Settings. Click on this option to begin the linking process. Step 3. Enter bank information. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in the databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Verify your bank account. After entering your bank information, you may need to verify your account. This could involve confirming small deposits made by Everest into your bank account. Check your bank statement for these deposits. Step 5. Complete the linking process. Once you have verified your bank account, return to the Everest platform and confirm the linking. You should receive a notification that your bank account is now linked successfully. Now you are ready to manage your business funding with ease. Following these steps will help ensure a smooth connection between your bank account and Everest Business Funding.